Hello. Today we are talking about the statement, an important statement that the novel Azadi deals with the theme of the partition of India. The partition of India was the route of the separating the subcontinent along partial lines of the in the quote 1947 as India achieved its independence from British Empire. It led into a Muslim-dominating northern state of Pakistan and Hindu-dominating southern part became the Republic of India. Partition, however, demolished both India and Pakistan as it averted many lives in riots, rapes, murders, and looting, but also about 15 million people were displaced from their home. These two countries commenced their independence but burst economics and lands without an entrenched component system of the government. Ajadi portrays beautifully the horror of partition, the colossal violence that still haunted the Indian psyche. It concentrates on the exodus of millions of refugees from Pakistan and the afflames of the Pakistan. Novel is very suitably divided into three parts. Part 1, the lull; part 2, the storm; the part 3, the aftermath. Chaman Nahal Azadi is a modern classic which reveals an inclusive revelation of life, signifying the chaos that partition paid on the people of the country, both of the social and individual levels. It portrays the realistic historical documents of the atrocious confrontations caused by the partition through literary perspectives as Chaman Nahal himself was refugee. He writes with incredible ingress and realism. Therefore, he was written his own experience through the character of the Lala Krishna, Kashiram, and his son Arun. The novel is about the Mum environment before the declaration of partition, the awful incidents caused by the partition, and the wretched circumstances of the disseminated refugees after the partition. The masses are shown as the mere puppets in the hands of the clever, selfish, and power hungry politician who exercise profound influence on the thoughts and deeds of men during those fateful days. Violence, the result of a mad communal frenzy, has been objectively depicted. Ajadi stressed how the midst of man was suppressed on the engaged himself in the ghastly act of the violence. Even an ordinary tradesman, Abdul Ghani, was transformed into a Muslim leaguer. He, like millions of others, was misled by the crafty politicians hungry to grab power. The novel unfolds the conspiracy of the politicians, but amidst the horrible scene of the inexplicable violence, it also indicates the rebirth of and hope for a new guilt-free identity. The appealing misery must have been meaning. The merciless killing of the stray dogs show the cruelty of British soldiers. The reference of Jallianwala Bagh spotlight the inhuman acts of Britishers. Nahal pointed out satirically that the killing of dogs for their crime was an act of inhumanization, but in the changed time, the sergeant went only after the dogs. Lala Kashiram saw the precious of presence of British Raj in the small an act as killing of the stray dog and felt as there indeed was no Raj like Angrez Raj. As the above discussion shows, this novel mainly deals with the theme of partition. It is realistic record of horrible incidents caused by the partition. It is not less than any tragic novel. It should be also added that Chaman Nahal is in his novel did not try to criticize one religion against other, Muslim against Hindu. In this way, Nahal not only objectified the personal experience but also presented the deliberate contaminated mission of the historical with the dedication and situational discursive elements. Almost at the end of the novel, his fact had been cleared that by him. He wrote, in Delhi, Lala Kashiram and others had to see the Muslim educated women's pardas. They felt bad. Soon they saw the train of Muslim refugees was attacked by many Muslims were killed. Nahal thought this protagonist gave his idea that he did not hate the Muslim because did in the Pakistan with the Hindus. The Indian did the same with the Muslims in India. Chaman Nahal's Azadi declines to psychological consequences of the partition. The novel forced to the attention of the readers how the ugly event caused havoc in the minds of the people and highlights the predicament of souls shattered off by the unprecedented tragedy. The novel make a moderate attempt of diagnose the malady leading to inhuman catastrophe. In the it criticizes vividly the Hindus and Muslims leaders responsible for the partition and the bloodshed that dazed everyone. Thank you.